Why the CORSAIR RM850e 2025 is the ultimate modular PSU for next-gen builds. Ever felt frustrated with a noisy, messy, or unreliable power supply holding back your dream PC build? Drop a comment if this sounds familiar. It's annoying when your GPU or CPU doesn't get stable power or cable chaos clutters your case. Imagine a PSU that's silent, fully modular, and ready for next-gen hardware. Your system finally performing exactly as it should. Deadlines for gaming, rendering, or streaming can't wait for a power hiccup. The stress of unstable power, hot-running components, or complicated cabling can be exhausting. Imagine if you could have clean, reliable power delivery, whisper-quiet operation, and simple, modular installation without sacrificing efficiency. With the RM850e, your PC runs stable, smooth, and future-ready, letting you focus on building and playing, not troubleshooting. Meet the CORSAIR RM850e 2025, a fully modular ATX PSU engineered for high-performance systems. With 850 watts of clean power and Cybenetics Gold efficiency, it delivers stable, energy-efficient performance for gaming, streaming, and creative workloads. The 12-volt, 2x6 connector ensures safe, reliable power for next-gen PCI Express 5.1 GPUs, eliminating melting risks associated with older designs. One pro builder shared how swapping this PSU into a client's rig simplified cable management, improved airflow, and cut fan noise dramatically. Equipped with a 120mm rifle-bearing fan, the RM850e stays silent under low to medium load, spinning up only when your system demands peak power. Japanese 105° C-rated capacitors guarantee long-term reliability, even under sustained heavy workloads. Modern standby compatibility allows near-instant wake-from-sleep times, saving precious moments for productivity and gaming. Pro tip: using only the cables you need keeps your case airflow optimal and reduces clutter. Comment yes if you want the bonus tip for maximizing efficiency in high-demand setups. This PSU blends performance, silence, and peace of mind like few others. The RM850e 2025 transforms both performance and usability. Users praise the silent operation. Even under full load, the PSU hums quietly, letting my fans and GPU do their thing without adding noise, said one enthusiast. Experts agree, highlighting its ATX 3.1 and PCI Express 5.1 compliance for future-proof builds. Influencers love the fully modular design, cleaner cable runs, better airflow, and visually stunning setups. Analysts call it a strategic enabler for next-generation PCs, mitigating builder anxiety over safety, compatibility, and longevity. One IT professional reported, the 105° Celsius Japanese capacitors and gold efficiency make this PSU rock solid for long sessions of overclocking and rendering. Users share similar experiences: effortless installation, stable power for high-wattage GPUs, and whisper-quiet operation even under intense gaming. Curious which feature would improve your build most: silent operation, modular convenience, or next-gen compliance? Comment below. With RM850e, your system runs reliably and efficiently, ready for modern workloads, future GPU upgrades, and extended gaming marathons. From high-end gaming to content creation, it's a silent powerhouse that keeps your system stable, your case tidy, and your peace of mind intact. You finally have a PSU that just works, and works beautifully. Don't wait. Upgrade to the CORSAIR RM850e 2025 today. Limited stock is available for gamers, builders, and professionals seeking stable, efficient, and future-proof power. Fully modular cables, silent operation, and 12-volt, 2x6 PCI Express 5.1 support ensure your next-gen components get exactly what they need. Click now to unlock a bonus tip for optimizing airflow and efficiency in your build. Join thousands of satisfied users who trust CORSAIR for reliability, performance, and peace of mind. Your system deserves nothing less.